Welcome, welcome to each and every one of you who are watching and will be watching this AUAN multimedia program. I hope you are all well and healthy from wherever part of the world that you are residing from. Today we will continue to part three of the recitation of my Vavanga book. And I'll try my best to read as much as I can for within half an hour, and then we'll quit there. Only half an hour for this program. So I'll now have a look. Maybe we'll come closer to you people. And we can go there later, but here I want to come back to the last part where I stopped my reading. Last time I was in page 24 of my book, and I think what I will do today, I'll read the last paragraph when I finished last week, and then so to make sense when we move to the second paragraph. So we need to read the last one I read. So please bear with me. I'll start reading the last paragraph. This is page 23. Okay. I have to get my other classes. Let me see. Okay. This is my reading classes. Okay. Let's go. Moreover, Vavanga in contemplation focuses on exploring the dynamic and limitless character of space and change as a constant process. In the dialectical language of Professor George Wilhelm Friedrich Hegel, with the valuing of space rather than prioritizing time, daimi or ta, as temple. In Mahena's sense, also for Heraclitus of Ephesus in Greece, he asserted that the only real constant is change. So Hegel's dialecticism of ideas or spirituality, for that matter, as an ongoing process of change is noteworthy. But Dr. Karl Marx's definition is equally significant as it goes beyond this cognitive conceptual aspect and embraces the material economic side of life. Marx believes that this dialectical transition can end up in a climax of classless society. As in Hegel's idealism of utopian spirituality, which is considered as their main shortcoming. This shows similarities between two viewpoints. First, the theory of process or theory of change from classical scientists like Dr. Nikola Tesla and Professor Dr. Albert Einstein, as well as modern philosophers like Helu and Professor Dr. Alfred Northwhite had, which says everything is always changing in conjunction with the ideas like process, motion, energy, frequency, vibration, action, and interaction. It encompasses a dynamic interplay of cooperation and opposition. It encompasses a dynamic interplay of cooperation and opposition, rather, inspired by the dialectic approach of Hegel and Marx, albeit without their utopian notions of a final climax or end of life. Second, Professor Dr. Francis Fukuyama's idea from his book The End of History and the Last Man, influenced by Hegel and Nietzsche, he suggests that after communism fell, liberal democracy and capitalism are the highest point in history, following Hegel's ideas and Nietzsche's theory of the overman, Superman. However, Fukuyama, like Hegel and Marx, has not really proven that history has truly ended, given ongoing changes in society and the world, and neither the overman is the highest and last human being either. Moreover, Parmenides of Ilia in Italy proposed a theory asserting that change is an illusion, and that what truly exists is unchanging and eternal. He argued that reality is a single, unchanging, and indivisible entity.